Hey Riyaz.
Hi,
Hey Riyaz, good morning. I
Prasant.
supposed to call you.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah. So Riyaz, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, good to hear that. So Riyaz, with us is Karthik. Karthik Kanan is a program director in Mindtree. He's going
Okay,
to take your cultural discussion brief. He
okay,
already informed you what is the meaning of cultural discussion. Rest, Karthik informed to you regarding for the project and all which you are looking for. Okay, Karthik is over to you. You can take it further. Thanks, Prashant. How are you, Riyaz?
I'm good. How are you, Karthik?
I'm good as well. Thank you. Um, so let me quickly introduce myself and I'll set the context and we can take it further. I'm Karthik Kannan. I'm a program director with Mindtree and I manage programs across multiple different accounts. I am part of a vertical called TTH, Travel, Transport and Hospitality.
Okay.
That's a bit brief about me. And I think you've already gone through a technical round of evaluation. So we'll probably have a call today just to have a quick discussion on the roles and responsibilities that you've played in the past. Um, so over to you. Let you introduce yourself and please walk me through your career and we'll take it.
Okay. So my name is Riaz Alam. I have completed my MCA in 2009. After that, I started my career in 2011, and I joined Sears Holding India as an Oracle DBA. And I worked there for more than 5 years. And in 2016, I joined HSBC. And in HSBC, I worked in Oracle and Postgres. And till now, I'm working with HSBC only. Karthik, your voice is you are
What's your current project and
your voice is breaking. Some
okay. I'm having the same trouble as well myself. Let me try rejoin. Okay, give me just one.
okay. Prashant, I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay.
Sure, sure. Is this better now, Yes? Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, till now I'm able to hear. Let's see.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see if call is better now.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to know about your current project, current role. Can you just walk me through that as well?
Current role I'm working as in Postgres DBA in my current company. Okay. So there are multiple projects I'm handling in HSBC. Like one of the critical application is payment gateway, and in that payment gateway, all the payments from the customer like Amazon, Flipkart, and all the online customers, the payments are processed through. So that is the most critical application I'm handling in HSBC. And apart from that, there are multiple applications which I'm handling in HSBC.
Got it. And what do you do with Postgres? I mean, you just take care of issues. You
All the
work on designing the database.
from starting to end, my role is to gather the requirement from customer and from the application team, and to build the project from scratch to end to end delivery I'm working on.
Good to know. Could you please elaborate on a typical day? I mean, like how your project goes on, what are the activities that you get involved in? Just trying to understand more in terms of what are your day-to-day activities, Reyes.
Okay, so as far as my day-to-day activity is concerned, it is totally based on the ticket. So whatever ticket we get, we have to resolve those tickets. And this ticket basically consists of all the database activities. And when you say database activities, means it is user management, table space management, backups, recoveries, performance tuning, migration, upgradation. So all these kind of tasks that I'm involved into daily basis. And apart from that, I'm into customer facing role also. Okay. So I have to contact means I have to communicate with the customer with their requirement, with their issues and all.
Got it, got it. And how big is the team? I mean, like, is it like you are the only person taking care of PostgreSQL daily, or Is there a bigger team?
No, it's a bigger team. Actually, we are a team of 12 people, but they are means multi-skilled. Like some of them means some of them are working in SQL Server, some of them are working in MongoDB. But we are three guys who are working in Oracle and Postgres. So it's a team of 12, but we have means we are three in Oracle and Postgres. And basically,
Understood.
yeah, basically I work in
Understood.
since
And have you?
since I joined HSBC, I'm working in US hours only. Means is evening 6:30 to morning 3:30. Actually, I support the US customers basically.
Oh, okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. And this PostgreSQL that you're talking about, is it an on-prem installation or is it a cloud installation?
It's on premises, but there is a chance.
Okay.
It's highly chances it will be migrated on cloud very soon.
Understood. Okay. Did you have any cloud-based experience before? Either in
Yes,
Oracle or
yes. I have got a training in AWS cloud, and I'm also AWS certified, but did not get any exposure to work in the current company. So it is just a matter of time, and I can pick up all those things. I did not get any exposure in HSBC.
good to know. Good to know. That's good. And have you performed any performance tuning or capacity planning related activities as well?
Yes. Multiple performance tuning issues and capacity planning also.
Okay. Can you talk about any of that experience, please?
So means if you are asking about the performance tuning, then most of the means many times that application team users complain that their query is running slow, means they are finding logs. So I have to work on those queries and resolve those issues. So when you talk about the slow running query, so there are multiple chances why the query is running slow. So first of all, we have to check whether their statistics are up to date or not. So there are high chances that due to the statistics, optimizer are not getting the right plan, and due to that their query are running slow. So we gather that information, and uh, if there is still a statistic, then we analyze the table and we resolve the issue. Apart from that, there are also if in a particular query, suppose we check out how the query is written. Suppose in that particular query they have written the where clause, and the column which is being used in the where clause, there is no indexing. So we check on that part also, whether there is indexing is being used or not. Okay, so after that there are joins also, like means we check on the joins also, like there are multiple joins which is required and which is not required, they are using the right kind of join or not. So we check the joins also. And apart from that, there are chances that due to the locking also, means sometime application is designed in such a way that they create lock on the database, and application user doesn't know that due to the locking their query is executing slow. So we check on that part also. Apart from that, there are memory issues also, means suppose means your query required more memory, but it is not allocated the sufficient amount of memory. Okay, so we check on the memory part also. And apart from that, means there are multiple layer, means hardware side we check, means all the what is this, means this is the approach that I follow. A fragmentation also means there due to the fragmentation also, means query performs slow, so we defragment that particular table. Okay, so these are the means performance tuning basics and approach which I follow.
Great. Good to know. Good. Thank you. And is your work more towards supporting the existing instance, or were you also been involved in development or implementation activities when you are building something from
Yeah,
scratch, something else?
I'm into implementation also, means I have set up multiple replication. Okay, multiple replication, and
Got it.
also the replication manager. Okay, for the failover and switchover. So I have set up that. So I'm into implementation also, from installing Postgres to create the cluster, to set up the replication. So I'm into implementation and support both.
Good to know. Very good. That's a good thing. That's what I wanted to check as well. And is your team an agile team, or how's the whole work? I mean, I know you get tickets, but is it like you are in a Kanban mode or a Scrum mode to
No, actually we are not into that. Means HSBC is moving into
not much?
HSBC is moving into agile, but means just people are getting trained into it. But till now, it is not completely into agile mode. I have got a training on agile. Means it was just 7 days training, so I know all the means Kanban and all these things. I know I'm trained into it.
Good, good, Pranav. Okay. Um, may I ask you why you're looking for a change right now?
Of course, for career growth.
Okay. And what will be expecting from Mindtree when you join in terms of projects, roles, or career opportunities? What are your expectations?
So my expectation means is to learn more and more. Okay, in when I joined your company. Okay, since I'm not someone who changes the company very frequently. If you go through my profile, so means it's more than 5 years. If I'm satisfied or am satisfied with the project, so I means I look to build a good reputation within the team and with the management. Okay, and I try to establish myself and try to deliver all the things which is required by the team and which is required by the company.
Got it. Got it. Good to know. And how do you see your career progression? I mean, where do you want to be 5 years down the line?
Yeah, actually means as you know that companies are moving into cloud. Okay, so since till now I have not got many exposure to work on the cloud, so I would see myself to be an cloud expert in next 5 years. Okay, so I would like to means work on the cloud things more like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Okay, so I would like to be establish myself into a cloud expert as well as the database in multiple data. Since till now I know two database like Postgres and Oracle. Okay, so I would like to learn more databases like MySQL, MongoDB. So I'll try to learn those things also.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Good to know. I think you will definitely have lots of such ample opportunities
Yeah.
within Mindtree. So that's good to know. Do you have any questions for me, Riyaz?
Not as such. Means last time I discussed with Sandhya. Okay, so she described about the project. So I just want to know what will be my role. Means if I get an opportunity to work in the Mindtree, so I just want to know my role. What will be my role?
Sure. So you will be taking care of building that operational data studio. You'll be the one who will be responsible maintaining that, doing all. In fact, that's where my questions were also coming from. Whether you've done any performance tuning, capacity planning, it's going to be on cloud, so we'll have to manage that as well. So I think Sandhya might have briefed you on that. It's going to be Postgres database on Heroku. And it's a greenfield project. We are building it from scratch right now. So there will be customer interactions. You will be definitely working with a bigger team. There is a ETL component to it. There is a Salesforce component to it. So everybody will depend on the operational data store that you and your team will put together here. Yes.
Okay.
So and this is across 3 different regions, literally NATO, EMEA, and APAC.
Okay.
And there are some amount of replication or sync which has to be established across these regions as well. So the whole development part of it, whatever I'm just trying to say right now is just this year's worth of work. Okay, but we have about 20 such work products. We call them as work products. So I'm just talking about only one single work product that we are working on right now, but there are 19 more to pick up. So it's going to be a very huge project. And the next set of things that will come up is in terms of building reporting on this operational data store. So there will be lots of performance tuning, data segregation, maintaining the sanctity of data, security, everything will come up. Again, it's on a cloud environment, so lots of security related questions will also come up. There are client PAs that are present as well. So it's more in terms of setting up everything from scratch and taking that forward. And that's where we would like you to come in and help us out.
Okay, sure. Thank you for the details.
Yeah. And you're comfortable with managing DDLs and DMLs, right? I mean, creating tables.
Yes, yes.
Tables.
Means I'm good in SQL, so okay, so no issues on that.
Good, good, good to know. And it'll actually be good for you as well in terms of whatever you said in terms of your aspirations, in terms of learning, because it's going to be a new environment on Heroku. We are setting up a bidirectional sync between Postgres database and Salesforce as well through something called Heroku Connect.
Okay.
So you'll get to know more and more in terms of cloud technologies also. I think it'll help you, and your Postgres knowledge and your DBA knowledge is definitely going to help us out. I think it's going to be a win-win in that sense. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Any other questions from you?
No, Karthik. I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. I think it was nice talking to you. Hoping to see you soon here.
Okay. Same here, Karthik.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Prashant,
can I drop off, Prashant?
I think just be there for 2 minutes. Yes, Raj, you can drop off.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thanks for joining.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thanks for your time.
Bye.